Ciao guys, in this new episode on how to make a model ship from scratch, we deep dive into the making process of everything concerning masts and sails. The 5-piece masts are a bit peculiar, so if you're not interested in some of the processes, you can just skip forward using the index in the description below. Even though I suggest you follow the whole video anyway, so that you can understand some techniques you might need in the future. The first thing I did was to cut the copper sheet to shape. I made another video on how to cut the copper sheet straight. It's a simple technique, you can find it in the link in the description below. Once the copper was cut to shape, I made the holes for the nails and installed the mast support on the deck of the model ship. If you have a lathe, the process of shaping the mast is going to be easier. If you don't, a plane and a standard sanding paper will do. I treated the mast with shellac and you can see the differences in color with the standard lime wood in two different light conditions. The soldering part is pretty fun. I made a whole video on this, you can find it in the link in the description below. Basically what I do here is applying the soldering paste on the tube after having slightly sanded it and cleaned it with alcohol. The important part here is having the copper as hot as possible so that we can cover it in tin. This will allow us to melt all the parts where tin is applied, even if we don't reach them directly with the iron. That's all for now, guys. I'm very happy how this Scratch build model ship is going. There are still a lot of details I should be working on, but I'm sure we almost covered the most important steps of Scratch building. In the next video I will show you how to make blocks. This time I will be using boxwood. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, please leave a like and I will see you in part 2.